through what rings are going to make it to the website. I like them all, but I really like that. I mean, I created them all. These are all sterling silver. So I'll just create them out of green. Just as I enjoy doing it. And then I'll end up getting a stockpile. A lot of my one-on-ones, pretty much the majority is a whole lot of one-on-ones. And that's what makes mine unique. I don't make just a few styles and millions of copies or hundreds of copies. Just how I'm feeling at that moment, I just get creative with the designs. About that. Like that. See, I also like to make conversational pieces. That noise you hear in the background, I'm tumbling some rings. Those rings will be the next ones that go up on the site. I put black rose on so you can see the rings a little bit better. The site is KNUCKLEJewelry.com. You just check out the designs there. All the ceilings you see now, they have to be tumbled and buffed out and things like that, bring that shine. So you're seeing them in their state. I just had them in this box. That's how I create them. No, it's a lot of different little processes I do. But they start from wire like this. I cut it to whatever size. Then I just take some tools and just make them. Yep. So this ring started with the wire like this, and I bend it. And I solder it together back here. So what you see is still a little rough right here, but when I buff it out, it'll be perfect. All the rings have a little bit of character. Oh, I also want to say that right here, I'm starting to do copper. I had a lot of requests to do copper, sorry about that. So I got some right here. I'm starting out, and I started these together. You see the discoloration, it'll go into like an acid bath and clean it up. These are actually not cutting it, so you see I made it and I'll cut it to size. Put it back to the sterling silver. I want to appreciate you as you took out the time to check it out. Appreciate you guys. I'm just going through right now, picking some rings out to make it to the store. What I think I am going to start doing too, since I have so many rings, I'm going to start a giveaway. Maybe I'll do a giveaway once a week or something. I have to look and see how that'll go. Yeah. Maybe a weekly giveaway. Maybe the people can comment or share or something like that. We'll figure that out. But look for that soon. Because I really do enjoy people wearing my pieces of art, my artwork. That's what I call it, my artwork. Um, and I've had a lot of people who purchased my art, you know, love it. Love it, love it, love it. So you like? And I'm really new to this live. You'll leave me any messages, whatever. I don't see it. I'm using my phone right now to go live. I just seen that I can set a computer up and actually look at it, and I will do that very soon. Not today, not in this live. I wanted to really get this together so I can get these rings out. Because a lot of people, so I used to have my store, and I still have a store on Etsy. It was really hard to find it, so that's why you just go to KNUCKLEJewelry.com. I will post the link in this so you can see it, but I don't have the website to get there. And I had took it down, I removed all the rings off of it, just to actually try to do pop-up shops. And quite honestly, I didn't have the time to do the pop-up shops. I would have to do the whole setup, and it's just me. And I still work, so you know, a lot of the pop-up shops, you actually have to be there on Thursday to set up, and then Friday, I work, you know, so working on Friday, so it was just a thing where I set it up Sunday, and then, you know, to find your right demographics of people who appreciate your art, you know, it's just, and then also I didn't know a lot of pop-up shops, so I actually should have really planned it a little bit better instead of just removing everything. But I wanted, you know, to bring out all my pieces because everything is unique. So say if one person loves this type and then another person loves this, if I only brought this one out, then that person that loved this piece of art, maybe, you know, so that's it, if that makes sense. So I said, let me take everything off, because I don't know what somebody would be interested in.